To fix the My5 Channel 5 app from not working, follow these troubleshooting steps. Ensure you have the latest version of the application. For Android devices, visit the Google Play Store and tap on My5 Channel 5 Update button. If the Update button is not available, clear the appcast by long pressing the application, going into App Info, and tapping on Storage and Cache. Clear cache should work. For iOS devices, go to iPhone Storage, search for the app, tap on Offload App, and click on Reinstall. After completing the process, tap on Permissions and ensure you have given the required permissions. If this doesn't work, you may need to uninstall the application and reinstall it to get the latest version with a fresh start. Ensure a stable internet connection and check for any system update on your device to ensure app functionality. If the issue persists, consider contacting the 5 support team for further assistance. For more content like this, like and subscribe to the channel.